Okay guys, I went out and bought this to sell my Bundy. Looks like crap. Not impressed, but only cost a couple $100 in a junk store. And it does this. That's pretty cool. That's my new toy. But here's my old toy, my Saxmonica. Okay, now you could say that's second place on sound, but first place on ease. This is not going to break. Now that there, which is so cool, what amazing engineering. But I can see a few fundamental faults. I cannot fit it in my pocket when I'm traveling. But if I could, I'd take it. This is never going to break. This, well, it looks like it needs a really good service right now, but I don't know, you tell me.